Okay, so now let's talk about the business volume of the ITC. So ITC company basically has a gross sales value of around 74,979 crores and a net profit of around 13,032 crores in the year 13th September 31st March 2021. And we all know fair that the ITC Limited is one of the India's biggest blue chip company, which is earning its bread and butter from selling products like cigarettes and cigars. Yes, cigarettes and cigars is its one of the main business. Its revenue for the year 2011-12 is a kind of mammoth, like it's 36,000 crores, which is in US $7.2 million, and its net profit is 6,162 crores, which is 1.62 million basically, and the share of the business from cigarettes is in total around 22,248 crores, which is nothing but 4.49 billions, actually the 62%, and remaining is accounted for the food and hotel businesses, the revenue, and agricultural and the paperboard segments basically. Apart from that, we also learn about that the operating profit of the cigarette business was before 6,907 crores, which is in US 1.38 billion dollars, and apart from that 8,571 crores in the year 2011-12, with marginal loss in other segments such as the food business had got a severe loss in revenue. Apart from that, it clearly shows that ITC's cigarette business volume is quite good and it drives a good profit for it in past as well as a quite good future in future maybe also. Apart from that, we'll also look into the certain business volume such as the certain balance sheet items and PNL items. To be specific, we'll be looking into the uh, total revenue, total expenses, and certain segment recommends, the FMCG items, whether they have got a profit more compared to previous years or profit less compared to previous years in the segment revenue. So let's go into it. So uh, in the year March 2021, they have basically got a total income of around 48,736.10 crores, and they have got and total expenses of 31,571.51 crores of expenses they have got, and their profit before tax is actually 17,164, around that is the profit before tax for them, and that is 17,164 crores. Apart from that, just a second. Yeah, so that is its profit before tax. And if we talk about its profit after tax, then its profit after tax is going like this, that it's 13,032 as we spoke in the theory. That is, it's basically 13,031.64, which is rounded off. So 13,032 crores is the profit after tax tax. And if we go to their balance sheet items, then the total liabilities are actually around 59,333.93 crores. And apart from that, if we look into their total current liabilities, then it is around to 10,122.46 crores. Yeah, and their total assets around 58,423.31 crores. They had certain contingent liabilities of around 940.85 crores as well. Hope you know what is contingent liabilities. That is, contingent liabilities are those liabilities which arise, which are gonna arise. Like, we don't know what's the result of the same. They are based on the happening or non-happening of a certain event, and they might be severe as well. Okay, now let's look into a comparison of the year 2019-20 as well as in the year 2021 for the quarter one of the year 2021. So let's go ahead. So basically, for the firstly, we look into the fast moving consumer goods segment. So in that, we all know that the bread butter giver is the cigarettes and cigars, as we know. So the cigarettes and cigar segment, we have 3,854 crores of cigarettes revenue, which was generated in year 20 to 2021. Okay, for the year 20 to 2021, cigarettes generated was 3,854, and for the year 1920, cigarettes generated revenue generation was 5,433. So basically, if we see some changes or trend occurring between this, then it's around a decrease of or a downward trend of 29.1 percentage of trend has taken place here. So basically it's a negative impact on the cigarettes. So that is in the year 2019-20 it was 5,433 and now it's 3,854. So the decrease may be because of the people doing socializing. So small bans putting on small bans are being bans, that is banning of cigarettes has been put. Plus the government is also saying to stop cigarettes because it might hurt someone by their health, or maybe because of their brand or etc might go down, because cigarette is not good to health enough. It might be good to some extent, but there are more bad things attached to it. So basically, because of those things, banning in certain areas and the health issues, and people nowadays are also becoming aware about why cigarette is very not good for health. So thinking of that, basically people have started not consuming much cigarettes. So because of that, people don't buy the cigarettes of it's not because only company of Indian Tobacco Company, they are not even buying of other companies. So basically we can say that in the business of cigarettes there might be a huge decrease, but for ITC it has been around 29.1 percentage of loss compared to previous year. So that a huge there is a huge decrease in the consumption of cigarettes in the FMCG segment for ITC Limited. And I hope that this should be decreased as well, and if it's possible, their other segment should rise, but cigarette should be done because it's the question of people's health as well. So yes, let's see what is their future aspects in the cigarettes as well. Apart from that, we have the other FMCG segments in the Indian Tobacco Company. That is, we have your incentive sticks like agarbattis, then we have EP noodles, and all the other segments. So in the other segments of we all know the other segments are covering, and they are the market leader in other segments. Even in cigarette they were a market leader, but right now because of the awareness etc it has been decreased. In the other segments, basically in the year 20 to 21, it was 3,375 crores. So that was their excuse me. So that was their revenue in the year 2021, 3,375, and in the year 1920, that is, it was 3,060 crores basically. So it looks quite good increase, and that is around 10.3 percentage has been increased. So as I said, people are interested in the ITC company. So that doesn't mean that if people are ignoring cigarette of ITC, they will also ignore other products of ITC. The other products are very standardized as well, good for health, because the company has decided a very good procedure in the factories to produce them. Apart from that, they do a very good marketing of their products. Plus, they are hygiened. They prepare it in the factory after thinking of the standard of living of customers, the hygiene, etc. So, because of this, the people also get attracted, and ITC Limited has got a quite good increase of around 10.93 percentage in the FMCG sector, because people nowadays kind of have to buy the market leader products because of their brand. Maybe the people are nowadays interested in brand value as well. So keeping in mind the brand value, also the price effects, also people are buying the products, such as we have other segments, the Mangaldeep, the Yippee Maggie noodles. Apart from that, we have other segments. The ITC has various other sectors into the hotels business also. But I think in the hotel business it's not much rising. That also we'll see in few minutes. But in other segments, the ITC has quite good range of products being supplied, and they are getting a good impact. And every year they have a bounce back on the same kind of. So yeah, so that way, if we look, we have a kind of total FMCG, that is the total fast moving consumer goods are totaling to 7,228 crores basically, and which was 8,493 for 1920. So for the year 2020 to 2021, so that was 7,228, and in the year 1920 it was 8,493. So this looks quite average, but it's a decrease. So it's a decrease of around 14.9 percentage. So yeah, there is a decrease just because of the cigarette business. So but the FMCG segment, the other segments are as well growing in on part of that. So I think what they can do is they can try to bring new strategies or launch new products by studying the market, that what does customer want, or what is the customer satisfaction, how can a customer be satisfied, on because of which product it may be satisfied, kind of. So they may bring certain new products, or just try to improve certain products, and try to reduce the consumption of cigarettes as well, or bring something new in the market, kind of, so they can increase their total FMCG revenue, and it should not be kind of a decrease on of overall around 14.9 percentage decrease. That's not a good thing for Indian Tobacco Company, but still it's still the market leader because of the other segments, and yeah, even in the cigarette as well. But recently the consumption has also been reduced. Because of that, they have a certain loss of around 29.1 percentage. Apart from that, if we look to the hotels business, as I said, in the hotels business, it's a huge thing. I'd like to say a huge decrease. A huge decrease means excuse me. Huge decrease means in the year 2021 they have a revenue of around 23 crores, and in the past year, that is 1920, they had a revenue of around 393 crores. All you guys might be thinking, what is this? So yes, there is a huge decrease in the hotel business basically. So people are kind of reducing to stay in the hotels, or what, or maybe they are trying to not stay in the ITC hotels, or regardless of other companies. So yeah, but there is a huge decrease of around 94.2 percentage. Okay, hope you understand what is the decrease of 94.2 percentage, because the reason of being less, that is the decrease of the revenue of hotels of ITC Limited, maybe because their market share is less, and they are not bringing much marketing strategies or innovation in the hotels. Like they had four, as we discussed, the welcome hotels, the welcome heritage, etc., four types, but they're not trying to innovate something. So maybe because of that, there's certain decision making, or maybe the customers are much aware that stay there in their own home, or hotel stay might be not that good enough. But yeah, ITC provides much facility, but yeah, it should be bringing more innovative ideas, building new strategies. So yes, they get I hope they get a good thing if they bring innovative things in there. But this time they have quite low this thing, a very huge low, that is 94.2 percentage decrease compared to last year for their hotel businesses. So apart from that, if we talk about their agricultural businesses, okay. So if we talk about their agricultural businesses, they have a revenue of around 3,746 crores. Okay, so that's quite a good number. But let's see the past year figures. So their past year figures are around 3,611. So these are also quite good. So that means that their agricultural business is growing quite well. Yeah, ITC is growing in agricultural business as well compared to the hotels, right? Hotels, it was 94.2 percentage less. Okay, so yeah, let's not troll ITC for getting a very low thing in hotel, because they have got an increase of around 3.7 percentage in the agricultural business. Yes, an increase of 3.7 percentage compared to the previous year, that is past year 1920. In the year 2021, they have got a revenue of 3,746. So there is an increase of 3.7 percentage. And yeah, it's a quite good gesture for agricultural businesses, and those 4 million farmers which we discussed earlier, hope you know. So yeah, excuse me. So yeah, a quite good gesture, that is 3.7 percentage, and farmers also are getting a good revenue from the Indian Tobacco Company. So yeah, that's good. So let's now go to the next segment. Okay, so the next segment is basically the paper boards, papers, notebooks, and their packaging business of ITC. So that is also going quite good, but there's a huge mystery here. Huge mystery in the sense, this year basically, in the year 2021 they have got 1026 crores of revenue. Okay, and in the past year there was a revenue of around, you might be shocked to listen, it was around 1528 crores. Okay, so you guys might be getting now that it's a decrease. Yeah, even I'm shocked to know that there is a huge decrease in the hotels business as well as in the paper boats business. So it's kind of that because of this organization study, even I have got to know that deep down the ITC is facing losses in the hotel businesses, basically kind of not losses, but a kind of decrease compared to previous years, that is past years. It's getting the revenue is getting lower by lower, day by day, like kind of, or the people are getting aware that the hotel is what kind of, so the hotel business is kind, hotel and paperboard businesses are not going well, because, but deep down I knew that the paperboard business might have gone up this year. But okay, let's not talk more about what are the inflation and deflations going on in the company. So let's now just talk about what are the figures here. So in the in 2021 they had a 1026 crores revenue, and 1920 they had 1528 crores of revenue. So there is a decrease of 32.8 percentage. That's a quite big number, because being a FMCG market leader, they should have kind of increased, right? If we think logically, it might have increased to around, let's not talk about 50 to 60 percentage increase, but a quite good, a simple, a sober number of around 5 to 10 percentage increase might and should have been done. But basically, I think the customers are not interested or what. There's a huge decrease in, that is 32.8 percentage. Nevertheless, there is no increase of the 32.8 percentage since now in any segment, but there is a huge loss in hotels of around 94.2 percentage. But still, uh, ITC will be looking upon it, I guess. They'll try to bring new innovative in that as well. So yeah, till now we looked around uh, the fast moving consumer goods, that is in the cigarette, wherein we saw that there is a 29.1 percentage of decrease. In other segments we have a 10.3 percentage increase, and that's a good gesture. Totaling to FMCG, totaling, that is the total fast moving consumer goods, has a decrease actually of around 14.9 percentage as we spoke. And in the hotel business it's a quite quite good, or what should I say, it's a very bad thing of around 94.2 percentage decrease. And in the agricultural business it's basically 3.7 percentage of increase. Yes, there's an increase of around 3.7 percentage in the agricultural business, and it's a quite good thing for the frozen snacks industries, or basically I would hope you understand. So that is the thing. And in the paper boats business they have got a decrease of around 32.8 percentage. So till now a decrease are around, in three segments there is a decrease, and in two segments ITC has got an increase, uh, but that's not that great. But still, it's increasing in two segments. Is also a good thing. Okay, so if we look to the totaling figures all the segments, that is the fast moving consumer goods, including the cigars, the other segments, the hotels, the paper boats, the agricultural business and all its segments, then it's totaling to 12,024 crores in the year 2021. Okay. And if we talk about the year 1920, then in the year 1920 it has basically got a 14,025 crores of revenue. So basically, yeah, in overall, because there was a 94.2 percentage of decrease, sorry, 94.2% decrease in the hotel business. So that actually contributed a lot to a decrease in the overall segment to all the products. So that led to a 14.3 percentage decrease actually for all the segments. Considering all the segments, there is a decrease of 14.3 percentage. Okay, I'll repeat it. It's actually 12,024 for all segments for the year 2021. That is 12,024 crores, and for the year 1920 it's 14,025 crores. So overall, for all the segments, they have got 14.3 percentage decrease basically. And if we basically less, there is a certain thing called as inter-segment revenue. So basically, inter-segment revenue is nothing but selling goods in between the inter-segment departmental. There's something called as inter. If, for example, ITC's own brands are selling in between, or certain manufacturing things or producing things have been sold, then it is called as inter-segment revenue. And on that, if they had earned something revenue on certain inter-segment revenue, then that has to be actually reduced from this, because that can't be considered as a revenue for all the segments, because segment is only buying from the other segment inter thing, then it can't be considered as a revenue, right? That is basically if I say that me and my brother are there, and if I pay some 100 rupees to my brother, who is of around 5 to 10 of years, and that is of nothing of use because it will be coming in my hand only. So that is like it's in the into the family itself. So consider that ITC is a family and it has a certain members in it, and if member is kind of do this thing, it can't be considered as a segment, overall segment revenue. So that's the thing. Because of that, the kind of they have reduced this thing. And so their intersegment revenue, let's talk about the intersegment revenue. So the intersegment revenue is basically 2,588 crores. Okay. Whoa. So they have did so much this thing intersegment revenue in the year 2021. A lot of intersegment going on. Okay. And in the year 2019-20, basically there was a intersegment of more compared to this year. So that was 2,663 crores. A quite big number of revenue has is being going on between the segments. So this is actually certain figure is okay kind of for the purpose of intersegment, but a huge number is not good. So I think that is not good enough. So they have got a 2.8 percentage decrease in basically here. So that's sorry, a not good gesture, but still, because this will actually negative, and their overall segment was also negative. So this will basically lead to an overall decrease in itself. Hope you all are getting what I'm trying to tell. So basically, so because so there's a 2.8 percentage decrease in the so no, in figures there is a increase, as you can see. In the year 1920 it was 2,663, but now it is 2,588. Okay, so as you can see, there is a decrease of around 2.8 percentage compared to the previous year. So there is a 2.8 percentage negative revenue. Hope you understand. So that is basically 9,436 crores totaling to their products and services. So their gross revenue from the sale of products, so that is their whole products and services, that is their hotel services provided, their cigarette and cigars, their bread butter, their god, that is their cigarette and cigars. Apart from there are other segments where it's the market leader, the pioneer basically, and the agricultural businesses, the paperboard businesses, and yeah, there are other segments, and that is actually after the inter segment totaling of around 9,436. Okay, hope you get 9,436 crores. Okay, and last year their total revenue was around 11,361 crores. Okay, a quite good number last year, and this year it is actually decreased. I don't know why, but there's a huge, kind of not huge, but still a decrease of around 16.9 percentage decrease. Hope you all get to know that a decrease compared to past quarter is basically not that good. So 16.9 percentage decrease is not a good gesture, but I think ITC should try to get certain strategies, certain innovations. So they try to be so this negative figure is basically because of I'm focusing on one thing only, that is their hotel business, which has got a very pretty uh, uh, good loss, a pretty good loss, I would say, of around 94.2 percentage. Okay, so that 94.2 percentage, because of that 94.2 percentage, or I can say there's a whole kind of mismatch here in the figures or their uh, figures, I could say. So yeah, because of that, and apart from that, if we look, the other segments are growing quite good way because products are produced very good way. So yeah, that's, I can just say that what they can try to do is, in the cigarettes market they have to do, they themselves have to either bring innovation for certain population. There's a quite less percent, quite less, but still compared it's more. uh, uh, if we see, basically, from the age of 19 to 25, people are actually consuming smoking cigars and are into other similar activities. Okay, other similar activities in the sense they are into health hurting, health damaging things, that is basically drinking wines and various other similar things. So though the market is increasing because of certain members, yeah, certain members, but if we look, 19 to 25 years of age are basically called the youth of India, and the youth of India is actually being indulged in such activities, then how would it lead to an increase in the development of India? So right now I am not going to talk about the development of India or etc. So let's now just focus about the organization study which I have took from my college, from which I've got a good opportunity as well. Even I am learning that there has been a good petty loss in the of about 94.2 percentage in the hotel business. So what they can do is they can bring some innovative ideas in the hotel business, and they can try to bring some certain rebates, discounts, so people get attracted soon. Okay, there are various marketing strategies through which they can attract the customers very fast. So attracting customers is nowadays a handful of tasks, so they can adopt some activities and try to attract their customers on the other hand. But yeah, they can reduce their cigarette business as well. And yeah, so they should try to increase their agricultural business, because India is actually based on agriculture. So yeah, even the farmers should be encouraged. So basically what they can do is they can, excuse me, focus on the agricultural business more, so that it can lead to both an advantage both to the ITC as well as an advantage to the farmers. So yeah, there might be a win-win situation. Hope you understand what I'm trying to tell. So yeah, okay, that's the thing. So you can also comment down that what do you think that that was my aspect, that why there is a huge decrease in the figures. You can also comment down that why there is a, what's your point of view. Comment down below that what's point your point of view, that why there is a huge decrease in the hotel business, number one. Also comment down that why there is a decrease in cigarettes. That would be a very easy one for you, but don't copy my words as well. Bring something new if you can comment down below. And apart from that, you what you can do is tell me why there is a huge increase in as well in